Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss quick Google Sheets tips that make your work easier and your spreadsheets look amazing. Today I'm going to show you how to make cells in Google Sheets the same size. Perfect for when you want a clean, professional look, whether you're building a report, organizing data, or just tidying things up. First, open Google Sheets. If you're not already signed in, do that now so you can access your existing spreadsheets or create a new one. Open the spreadsheet you want to work on. To make every cell the same size, start by selecting the entire sheet. Click the small square at the very top left corner where the row numbers and column letters meet. This highlights all rows and columns at once. To set column widths, hover your cursor between any two column headers at the top until you see the double-headed arrow. Click, hold, and drag to the right to widen or to the left to narrow. When you release, every column will now have the same width. Next, adjust the row heights the same way. Hover between any two row numbers on the left side until you see the double-headed arrow, then click, hold and drag to adjust the height, release to set it, and every row will now be the same height. And that's it. Your Google Sheets cells are now perfectly uniform both vertically and horizontally. A simple tweak, but it makes your spreadsheet instantly look cleaner, more organized, and presentation ready. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Google Sheets tricks and share this with someone who loves a polished spreadsheet.